thoughts appearing, then they disappear. My anxiety's crystal clear, but somehow you're still here. Blue check marks got me stressed. 3 dots and nothing, I'm a mess. Loving the digital age, what a test. But somehow you're still my favorite text. You left me on red for like 3 hours. I went through all 5 stages, lost my powers, overthinking in the shower. Like a fool, then you replied, little sorry. Work was brutal, and just like that, my world's okay. One emoji can make or break my day. We're building something real through screens, deeper than it sounds. Know what I mean? Read receipts and love confessions, digital age obsessions. Your notification sounds my favorite song. Been waiting for it all day long. We're texting through our feelings, virtual healing. This love's authentic, even through the screen. You know what I mean? Started as strangers in the DMs. Now you're the reason my heart stems from anxiety to pure elation. You're my daily motivation. Every message is a love letter, makes my broken heart feel better. We're writing our story, one text at a time, build every rhyme. They say real love needs face to face, but we found magic in the stairs to the face. Your words hit different at 3 a.m. You're my person, my closest friend. Read receipts and love confessions, digital age obsessions. Your notification sounds my favorite song. Been waiting for it all day long. We're texting through our feelings, virtual healing. This love's authentic, even through the screen. You know what I mean? Blue check marks, but I'm not stressed, 'cause I know you're my favorite text.